Here is how to submit the passport submission request via courier services. You need to enter your mobile number in order to receive your one-time password. Refrain from making multiple attempts. After you click on Validate One-Time Password, choose Two-Way Courier Service for passport submission as your option. Select your visa category as passport submission for a temporary resident visa. Select the number of applicants you are submitting the visa for. Then, enter your PIN code to check if the address is in the serviceable area. If it is in the serviceable area, please proceed to fill in the address details. Please make sure you fill in the address details in every blank mentioned in the form. If not, look for an alternate address from where they can pick up the passport from your family's or friend's place. Now you need to upload your passport submission letter that you must have received from the GC key. This is what your PPR looks like. Next, enter your name, application number, email ID, contact number, and alternate contact number. You will find the application number on your PPR. Select Yes as an option if the name on the PPR and passport are the same. Select the option based on whether you have renewed your passport since filing your online visa application. Fill in your biometrics details like the location where your biometrics was enrolled, mention your date of birth, and whether you availed for Premium Lounge at the time of enrolling the biometrics. If you have enrolled for the Premium Lounge services, you will be asked to upload the receipt of the same. Here is what the receipt would look like. Upload your passport submission request letter again, and go ahead and make the payment to complete your process. If you still have any queries, get in touch with Away.Education.